Collision theory. By the end of the session, you must be able to 1. Explain what collision theory is. 2. State the conditions for effective collision. 3. Relate the reaction rate to the number of collisions per unit time. 4. Explain, in terms of collision theory, that the reaction rate is directly proportional to the number of effective collisions per unit time. For a reaction to occur, particles must collide with each other. For the collision to be effective, that is, for collisions to be successful, 1. The particle must be in a correct orientation to break old bonds and to form new bonds. And 2. The particle must have sufficient kinetic energy to overcome the activation energy. If the colliding particles are in correct orientation and have sufficient kinetic energy to overcome the activation complex, then an effective collision will take place. This is known as the collision theory. The collision theory is a model that explains that a reaction will only proceed when reactants particles collide effectively. In terms of collision theory, the reaction rate is directly proportional to the number of effective collisions per unit time. That is, the higher the effective collisions per unit time, the faster the reaction rate.